Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do dribbles. Let's get into it. All right, so before we get into it, you know what you gotta do. You gotta like the video, and if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's very easy, very simple to do. If y'all like this content, you know what I'm saying, you like seeing my beautiful face, subscribe to the channel. Also with me today, I have my two sons. How's your mom doing? She doing all right? Yeah? She get that child support I sent her?
Oh, you got jokes.
Josh and Gio, I will leave the Instagrams in the link below. So if you want to check them out, they're dope skaters. But yes, they are my sons. If you're in Tampa, I do a group skate class every Saturday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. It's just 15 bucks, very affordable. It's a beginner skate class. So if you're looking to join a community and you're a beginner skater, come join my skate class. It's a lot of fun. All right. I also do one-on-one private classes. Those are a little bit more expensive. I am kind of crunched on time. I'm a busy man. But if you really want them, I do them virtually and in person. So check out diamondskates.com. All the information is there if you want to know more. Now, the dribbles, we have to actually break down what it is. All right. So it's actually a bootleg version of the crazy legs. I have a crazy leg tutorial as well. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check that out. But dribbles, all you're basically doing is alternating from left to right, left to right. That's basically what it is, all right? But we're gonna break it down even more detailed, okay? So first, what we have to learn how to do is we have to learn how to do shuffles, okay? Which is basically alternating our skates. So if you're a beginner skater, I always love to start off with this move because it's super simple. So here's what we're gonna do. Our right skate, we're going to roll it forward, and at the same time, we're gonna roll our left skate back, okay? Now watch my balance. So right now, my balance is sitting on my left skate, right? Now watch, when I go to alternate, my weight is going to switch over, boom. Now I'm sitting onto my right side, okay? So let's try it again. Switch, boom. All right, and as you can see, every time I alternate, my weight is shifting. All right, this is what you want. Boom, 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 boom. Cool. Let me turn sideways just so that you can get a different view. I know some of y'all be writing in the comments, turn around, turn around. Well, here we go. All right, so right skate, I'm gonna roll it out, left skate back, boom. Switch, boom, switch. As you can see, we're on a slant, so like this way is kind of slanted down. If you are on a slant, try to get on an even surface, especially if you're a beginner skater. It's gonna make this move a lot easier. If you are on a slant, what you can do is you can angle your wheel to the side a little bit. So whenever you alternate, make sure that one of them is like kind of to the side so that it stops you from rolling backwards or forward. That's like a little tip. All right, so this is what it looks like from the side. Boom. Pretty simple, right? Pretty simple. Cool. Now the next step, what we have to do is we have to get used to putting our toe down, okay? I know a lot of you probably wear those big toe stoppers. That's cool, you can do it with those, but it's gonna be a little bit more challenging because with dribbles, you're actually gonna put your toe not all the way down, but slightly so that you can roll it, okay? Yeah, if you got toe stops, you can give it a try, but it's a lot easier without them, okay? What we're gonna do is with our right skate, you're gonna put the toe down like this, okay? Left, boom. Stand, right, boom. Left, simple, right? Cool. Now we have to add the shuffles with this little toe thing I was just doing, okay? So whenever I roll my right skate back, I'm gonna go on my toe, okay? So watch. Right skate back, boom, on my toe. Now, just like the shuffles, when we alternate, this one, the left is going to go on the toe too, okay? So watch. Switch, toe. See that? Again, switch, toe. So you're basically walking in place, okay? So try that. And also as well, if you have something in front of you, like, I don't know, a refrigerator, a table, trash can, whatever you can hold on to if you're having problems like balancing, because I know if you're like a newer skater, this can be a bit challenging. Let me do it from the side just so that you can kind of see, get a better view of what I'm doing. So I'm gonna roll my right skate back and go on my toe, okay? So let's try that first. So roll it back, boom. Now from here, I'm gonna basically pull my left skate back. And as I do, I'm gonna pull my right skate forward, okay? So watch, pull, boom, okay? See how this one's down? Oh, now alternate, boom, alternate, boom, alternate, cool. Pretty simple. Well, I mean, for me it is. I've been skating for 20 years, but for y'all it's probably hard as hell. Here's what I want to try to do. I want to try to make it to a beat. I want to see if you can follow along, okay? So I'm gonna count down 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go to a beat. The beat will just be something. It won't be nothing too fast, not yet. So it's gonna be. Okay, so that's how slow the beat will be. So try to follow along with me. We're gonna start with our right skate back first. That's gonna be the first beat that we're gonna hit, okay? So I'm gonna count it down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Let me try that one more time. I'm gonna turn around backwards just so that you can have something to follow if you are confused. So I'm gonna turn around backwards and we're gonna do that same thing. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? All right, now here's what we're gonna do. That one was kind of slow. Let's speed it up a bit. So instead of 1, 2, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try that. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a bunch of different ways that you can play with the speed. You can go super slow, super fast. There's a bunch of different ways. But what I want to teach you, I want to teach you a transition, okay? It's called the zero. I just did a tutorial on it. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check that out. But this goes hand in hand with this move. It's like peanut butter and jelly, salt and pepper. It's a perfect transition, okay? So the zero is this move right here. Up, side, switch, up, front, okay? That's the zero. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, up, turn, 1, 2, 3, up, turn, okay? That's what I'm gonna do. Let me break that down. So we're gonna do 3 dribbles, okay? Starting with our right skate. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 3. Now watch, on the third one, the right skate is going to come up. Now we're going to pivot, turn to the left, boom, okay? Now from here, we're gonna do 3 more dribbles. So 1, 2, 3. Now the left is gonna come up and pivot turn back to the front, okay? So let's try that. Let's do it twice, okay? So 1, 2, 3, pivot turn, 1, 2, 3, pivot turn, 1, 2, 3, pivot turn, 1, 2, 3, pivot turn. All right, let's try it. Let's try it twice. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, pivot, turn, 1, 2, 3, pivot. One more time, turn, 1, 2, 3, pivot, turn, 1, 2, 3, pivot, turn. Good. If you don't have it yet, it's all good. We wind it back and do it as many times as you want. All right. Now, I've got one more step. It's basically the same thing as the 0, but instead of doing it in 2 beats, we're going to do it in 1 beat. What I mean by that, instead of going 1, 2, we're actually going to go 1. Okay, so let's work on that. Basically what I'm doing is my right skate, I'm coming up and turning. Okay, so I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna turn. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, turn. Let me see if I can make this a little easier. Yeah, so your right skate is going to come basically in front of your left, and then from there you're going to shift your hips to the left as well as your arms to turn. Okay, you don't have to make it super huge. It doesn't have to be a big turn, just something just real slight. Boom. Okay, real easy. These Florida mosquitoes ain't no joke, man. I tell you what, they will literally pull your like sleeves up and your socks down and bite the shit out of you, won't they? Yeah, I'm telling you. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. Okay. Now, actually, let me go over the left side. So the left one is the exact same. Okay. So if your left skate is back like this, I'm gonna count it down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and turn. Okay. So instead of going 1, 2, we're gonna do it in 1 beat. So it's just gonna be 1. Okay. So it's the same thing that we're doing to our right. All right. So let's do the dribble, 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 turn, dribble, 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 turn. Okay. Let's see if we can get that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. Good. One more time. Let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, turn. 1, 2, 3, turn. Cool. Whenever you're practicing the dribbles, it's best to do it to like music so that you can hit the beat, because it just looks way better to do it to a beat. You don't have to. You're grown. You can do whatever you want. You can skate off beat, but it just looks way better if you're like smoothing it out like to a song. It just feels better that way. I think that might be it for the dribbles. It's pretty simple as long as you get the rhythm down and you get your balance down. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure that y'all follow my 2 sons. Make sure that y'all like, subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna be throwing out videos left and right at y'all. Okay, so I will catch y'all next week. No, I lied. I will not be here next week. I will be in Atlanta, I believe. I'll figure it out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch y'all next time. Peace.